It is a big myth that you must have a bookkeeper down the hall to run a great company. Every month across America, tens of thousands of small companies with 3 to 100 employees are subcontracting their entire bookkeeping department. And you can too, especially if you're tired of managing and hiring and dealing with employee drama and the high cost of running and managing bookkeeping in your own office. The truth is, you can just stop doing it and be better off. You see, there's a couple of great big advantages to outsourcing your bookkeeping. Number one is small companies that manage their operation off good numbers, especially if they do it daily, almost always find themselves in the top 1% of all income earners in just a couple of short years. But even better, a well-run business allows you to leave the office so you can do the things that are really important. And that all happens because you have daily numbers that mean something. Easy numbers to understand, easy business decisions can now be accomplished. Here's how we get it done. The first step is we take you paperless. And I know you've often thought, well, could we become a paperless company? We handle everything. Then, when you see our proposal, you're going to see how we actually do this by linking our office with yours and setting up your scanners and printers so that you can direct all those documents into our office. When they get here, we're going to look at every single one of them by hand. We're going to read it and name those pages in a dialog box so that you can retrieve any document anytime you want, anywhere. This one step, taking you paperless, could cut your cost by 25%, your back office cost, that one thing alone. Then when it comes to the bookkeeping, we actually work on a high-speed business cycle. We do everything overnight, so the next day you know exactly what's going on in your business. You know where you're making money, what customers give you a good margin, what products actually work. You know who owes you money every day, and even the most important one of all, even this, you know the expenses. And you can watch them daily to see if they're getting out of control. You know what's going on. You know exactly where you're making money. You've got total control when you're outsourcing your bookkeeping. To make all this work, we use giant server farms with state-of-the-art security where documents and accounting databases are stored, but you can access right on these server farms all your accounting data and pages, all your invoices and receipts anytime you want. Now, another way we do this to get our cost down is all of our staff use dual monitors, and that allows us to rapidly run through work, and it makes it possible for us to get 8 hours of work done in 4 hours a day. And this is another reason why you save so much money when you outsource. Now, we're a local company, and before we take on your account, we send out a bookkeeper, and they actually go through every single process in your business. They've got an organized and defined method for doing this because we do this kind of work for lots of companies. We actually write flowcharts on how everything in your company works so you become a well-oiled machine. That might even be for the first time. Then our system, when documents do come in, splits your accounting work automatically into 4 levels. And that allows us to hire low-cost labor to do the 80% of bookkeeping that's easy. The enter a bill, pay a bill, reconcile account. Just about anybody can do this. But it's the basics of bookkeeping. It's the 20% that's hard that requires high levels of skill. So we have specialists. And these specialists may only work on your account 1/2 hour a day or 1 hour a week. But this too works to keep your cost down far, far below what you could do it in-house while giving you excellent results on a daily basis. You'll have a document access page where you're going to be able to see everything that's going on, who's working on what, a total transparency of our billing. You've got total control of your entire business. You'll be able to look at any document at any time rather than running down the hall and searching through filing cabinets or stacks of paper on the desk. And if you ever need to ask us a question or ask us to do something, of course we're a quick phone call away, but the easy way is just click on the task box and write an instruction set for us. But best of all, any work associated with any piece of paper is tracked so you know exactly what's going on. So for the first time, you're going to have no more drama, no more bad numbers, and no more administrative cost. Every one of our clients report that they've got more time now to spend with customers, and there's a lot less financial stress. To get a low-cost bid, all you need to do is give us a phone call. Or you can ask for the CD, and we'll mail it out to you so you can listen to that first. We're looking forward to helping you today so you can be rid of bookkeeping tomorrow.